choice today with the 2017 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, backup camera, remote start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.